How to make a withdrawal. Go to www.icm.com and click on ICM Access, then sign in. You will be taken to your account summary page. Click on the Withdraw Funds at the sidebar. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and preferred method. Then, click Request Withdrawal button to continue. Or click on the Bank Details at the sidebar plus Add Bank Details on the top right page. Fill in all required information and click Submit. Then return to the Withdraw Funds page to proceed with the withdrawal request. Once you completed the withdrawal request, you will then receive an email informing that your withdrawal under process or rejected. Note, withdrawal will be processed within 24 hours during business hours 9 a.m, 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday, except public holiday. Withdrawal rejected. These may be some of the reasons. You can check them using the notification sent via email. Point 1. Insufficient free margin. Point 2. Source of deposit. Point 3. Bank details issue. No bank details. No supporting documents for company bank's account. Incorrect bank details. Bank not in our payout list. Please take note. If client did not provide bank details within 5 working days, the withdrawal amount will be returned back to client's MT4 account.